my first question is, why choose Hogan? And boy, is there a flooded marketplace with a range of different psychometrics, each with their own training programs. At the Hogan Certification Workshop, you'll get trained in 3 tools. So the Hogan Personality Inventory, your everyday bright side measure, tapping into the 5-factor model of personality. The Hogan Development Survey, so sometimes referred to as the dark side. So what happens to us under specific situations when we're under incredible pressure or stress, things that can come out to play for us that we need to be mindful of so they don't negatively affect our performance. And the final questionnaire, the Motivations, Values and Preferences Inventory. So looking at our key drivers, potentially things that are going on underneath the surface for us. So the 3 tools then all coming together to form a really comprehensive account of the individuals that we'll be working with.
So my question is, why choose PCL? Well, PCL are the first international distributors of the Hogan tools, and we have almost 25 years experience using them. And Jeff Trickey and Gillian Hyde, who are the directors of PCL, they helped Bob and Joyce Hogan to adapt the Hogan tools to the UK market. So PCL, we research various topics using the Hogan tools, and because of PCL's long-standing collaborative relationship with Hogan Assessments, it's meant that PCL are Hogan experts with the longest experience with the tools and with applying the tools across different industries. And you'll see that expertise in the trainings that we deliver and the services that we provide.
So what do I get included in the course? Well, once you book on to one of our Hogan certification workshops, you'll have the opportunity to take the HPI, HCS and MVPI assessments and receive your very own Hogan personality report. These will be the extensive leadership forecast reports. At the end, once you've passed your exam, you will also receive another one of these complimentary assessments of all 3 tools of the Hogan suite for you to give to an individual of your choice to do a practice feedback. And again, that would be the leadership forecast report. During the course, we will give you a number of materials that will walk you through each tool in a lot of details. And then we will, of course, direct you to a number of different resources afterwards. So there's a whole pool of resources that Hogan have and that we have. And of course, we won't be far away. So if you have any questions, then you can always come back to us and ask any one of our consultants.
Okay, my next question. How can I use Hogan in my practice? So all 3 tools can be used in both the selection capacity, but also development and coaching. Your Hogan Personality Inventory, the tool that would be most aligning to those behavioural competencies you'd be assessing in recruitment. So you'd be undertaking your job analysis to support that. The Hogan Development Survey can't be used on its own. So it's important to stress that that always needs to be used alongside a bright everyday personality measure such as the Hogan Personality Inventory.
So my question was, how does Hogan stand out from other tools? Most other personality assessments on the market measure identity, who you think you are. But this can be very useful for self-reflection. We can be poor judges of ourselves. In contrast, Hogan measures personality in terms of reputation, who other people think you are. It gives us an indication of how other people are likely to see us. They also support their practitioners with comprehensive manuals, interpretation guides, free qualifying webinars, coaching supplements, further training options, and a constant flow of interesting articles and relevant research topics. It's unlikely that many other assessments will be able to compete with these extensive backup materials.